Hey guys, we're here at Zacuto at NAB 2023, and I think they just found a better way to mount a boom.
DIY Photography's coverage of NAB 2023 is sponsored by Sennheiser, Zhiyun, Small Rig, and B&H.
We're here with Virge from Zacuto here at NAB 2023, and I'm seeing this thing. It's the weirdest thing I've seen on a camera today. What is going on here?
This is our patent pending lightweight micro boom. It's about 5 ounces. It has a telescoping in and out. It goes from 14 to 35 inches. It's got a cable inside. You can mount it, NATO rail, cold shoe. There's a bunch of different mounting options, and it's a way for you to have a boom without a boom operator and get quality sound much easier.
So I see here it's actually a pretty small mic. Why would I want a small mic over the big mic over here?
Because that is actually closer to your audio source. It's right where your person is speaking, so you're right there and you're getting the audio directly and much closer, and they don't have to. The other thing that it does is gets it out there so you don't have to go and say, like we're doing right now, you're shoving a microphone in my face, which is, I'm used to it and that's what I do, but if you're interviewing somebody who's not a professional, taking the time to maybe clip a mic on them or actually just putting a microphone in their face is going to give them pause and kind of affect what they're answering. In this way, it's there. They're kind of out of their line of sight, it's above them, they're not paying attention to it, and you get a much more natural interview and responses from your interview subjects.
Awesome, and it takes all of the fussy work of clipping on a lav.
Especially if you're doing stuff for social media, you're in a crowded space, or even here where there's people walking by, or anywhere where there's you don't have control of the situation. You're not running cables, you're not blocking stuff off, and you're operating with much greater ease.
So tell me about how it mounts and how do you make sure that it doesn't get in your frame? And also I see that there's something here, so tell me about this as well.
Sure. So mounting, it's cold shoe or NATO rail, which is standard. You're going to have that on all your cages, everything on there. And what you do is once you set it up and you get it where you want it, since it's attached to your cage, it's going to follow your lens. So you can see here that I'm kind of doing some movement there, and it's moving with me. So it's never going to dip into my frame because it's actually just going along with whatever I'm aiming at or pointing at and shooting. And then the other thing we're working on is what we're calling our micro mixer, which is going to let you do 2 channels of discrete, independently controlled audio for your smartphones, your DSLRs, anything really that's coming, but in a nice small compact thing. So instead of just one signal, you're going to be able to get 2 microphones and control them and add to your audio.
So a nice way to make great stereo audio right from the top of your camera.
Or have 2 guests, 2 interview subjects, 2 people talking, interviewer and interviewee, and then have separate control of that and be able to then mix that properly.
Awesome. So talk to me about price and availability.
These are both in the 180 range right now, though we're still finalizing that, so we're going. Micro Boom, we're looking summer of 2023, and the Micro Mixer, we're looking at third quarter of 2023.
Awesome. Thank you so much for showing us that. We wish you the best of luck going into the world of sound. And if you guys want to see more coverage, please follow us. We're going to keep walking the booths. I'm Adam Frimmer from DIYPhotography.net. This is NAB 2023.